and welcome to the Telford Priory School. I am Stacey Jordan and I'm the head teacher of the school, and I am delighted to be launching this video with you to show you a little bit about our wonderful school. Being a parent myself, I know how important it is to choose the right secondary school for your child. By choosing your secondary school, you are entering into a 5-year partnership with us to ensure that your child gets the best possible education. We value these partnerships, and we are already working with a number of parents as governors and as part of our Parents in Partnership group. At the Telford Priory School, our vision is powerful knowledge for global citizens. What this means is that our students are taught an ambitious curriculum which is vitally important for their learning and future lives. We believe it is their entitlement to be taught the very best of what has been thought and said. The global citizenship aspect of our vision is about explicitly teaching and helping the children to be the best people they can be. We want them to be kind, thoughtful, helpful people who can make a positive difference in our community and beyond. We offer opportunities in student leadership training and charity work, which demonstrates our core beliefs. We offer around 50 free clubs each week and a number of enrichment opportunities and trips to our students, and expect our students to take advantage of the opportunities that coming to our school affords them. We do believe in rigour and routines and help our students to strive to be their very best. We expect our students to be polite and respectful, knowing that everyone in our building is a potential hero. And they should respect everyone's right to learn and grow as a person. The students and staff at TPS make me proud every single day with their commitment to this vision. In performing arts, we have recently been awarded Arts Mark Gold for our work in providing performance opportunities to our students. In music, we were amazingly noticed by Sir Elton John for our cover of his song, I'm Still Standing. We also won an award for being the best music school in the country. Our artwork is truly inspirational, and our student art gallery is a thing of absolute beauty. In sport, our students excel, and we offer so many different experiences to our students, be it tennis at the adjacent tennis centre, swimming at the on-site leisure centre, or football on our impressive on-site 3G pitch. Our other subjects are equally important and taught by highly qualified professionals who use the latest research to support the ways in which we teach. We have a reading culture at our school, which is often lost when students leave primary school. But as an English teacher originally, I am so proud that we encourage and reward good reading habits in our students. When I give prizes to students each week for excellence, I am so moved when they leave the prize area with challenging books that they have chosen by Jane Austen or Charles Dickens, for example. Because we are a relatively new school, our facilities are second to none, including our state-of-the-art theatre, computer suites, Mac suites, and our very own recording studio. Being part of TPS means you get to be part of something truly special. We are now an oversubscribed school, and we are so proud of the incredible journey we have been on and how far we have come. I wish I could see you all in person, but I would encourage you to book an after-school tour via our website if you want to know a little more. I wish you the best of luck in selecting your secondary school, and I hope to meet you very soon.